Ready?
Yep.
Last one off. Trying to hold my breath and I didn't. Man, still ain't hit the red. I was square, right?
Yeah. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I told you,
So you missed
I
one.
lost one of them. I can tell because it.
Well,
Let's see if Jacob puts some there. Still got the red. I don't think, no. We got 6. You gonna record it?
huh? Record it?
Just when I start, just hold that circle in.
Just hold it.
Yeah, it's only gonna go for 10 seconds.
All right. Just tell me when to hold it.
Alright, you got it.
All right. That's it. 10 seconds. It done in 10 seconds. It's stuck. It froze up right there.
I wish Jacob circle, right?
Yeah, you circle. 1, 2,
One there.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if, cause that's
like
out of the
2.
triangle, so he hit there.
Yeah.
So 8,
That's 8.
all 8. 1. Yep. Well, I still got the red to hit. Record.
Recording.
Really? Let's see, one. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. 5, 6, 7. Alright, my 8th one should be somewhere. 8, right there. Oh, yeah. I got all of them. I'm getting closer. Because, see, last time I shot it, I'm all over here. Getting right here. I'm getting closer to it.
Alright, I'll put some in that center.
Huh?
I'll put some in the center so we can put another target up.
Okay. Alright. Ready? So you say you're gonna hit the red, right?
My hands not as steady as they used to be.
I don't see no red mark.
Where'd they go?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 right here. Well, somebody shot right here. 5. And one of those
You
has
got
to be
the middle
yours.
one, I think. Yeah, it gotta be one of those.
6.
Or maybe that one at the top. You want to put another one on it, or you want to shoot at that one, or?
Wait a minute, somebody shot right here too. That's not one hole right there. That's 2. Oh, that is showing. Yeah. Let's shoot at this one some more. I mean, you still got.
Let me move it over.
Yeah.